If you're still carrying around that bulky, old-school drill, you are making your life harder than it needs to be. This is the DeWalt DCD805. It's smaller, it's lighter, but it's packing a punch that actually beats its predecessor. In this video, I'm going to show you if this is the ultimate compact hammer drill for your kit, or if you should stick with what you've got. Let's dive into the specs, the real-world performance, and the one feature that actually surprised me. Why do we care about compact? It's about access. If you're a pro or a serious DIYer, you know that 1/2 inch difference in length is the difference between getting the job done or struggling for an hour. It's not just small, it's efficient. We're talking 40% more power than the legendary DCD805. It's a massive upgrade for those who are already in the 20-volt max ecosystem. Specs are great, but how does it feel in the hand? The balance is incredible. Even with a 5 ampere-hour battery, it doesn't feel wrist-breaking. DeWalt finally fixed the lighting. This isn't just a bulb, it's a 70 lumen spotlight. The 20-minute stay-on mode is a game changer for pros working in dark attics or basements. Most brands ignore this. DeWalt actually listened. Are you doing masonry? If yes, get the 805. If you only drill wood and metal, save a few bucks and get the 800. If you want a daily driver that won't fail you, this is the one. Do you agree that this is the best compact drill out there? Or are you a Team Red fan? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if this saved you some time, and subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.